7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, geez, no. Insertion rules. Oh, that's not too bad. Yeah, I can do that. Goes to exactly 102. That's a fairly nice, precise number, actually. Oh, I know why, because it's 100. I get it, okay. Cool. That's what we start off with. And then K. I'm gonna paste this transposed. Paste transposed. Okay, so now equals. So what I need to do is I need to find the one that. Essentially, I want it to be like this. It'll be B, N, S, O, S, B, B. So this is 1, 2. So it's if row. And if it is, row, else. Okay, I'm just gonna put in blank for now. We'll fix that in a second. What? That's 1. Why? Oh, I know why. That's fine. Okay. And now we do is there one above? Now if it's not, first of all, we're gonna delete that. So we just have something to work off of. Nice. If it's not, actually, let's even just. I want this to be up like that. Okay, there we go. Otherwise, keep that empty for now. Like a proper table here. So we're gonna delete that. Delete that. We're gonna equals cat. Those two. Bam. Okay. We're gonna call this LM. Yeah, it's called LM. If it's false, yeah, so it's gonna be VLOOKUP. That, ampersand that. Does order matter? HC, it does matter. Okay, order matters, so that's easy. If error, then it's a blank. Whoops. So this is nope. I have to do all of this, but I do have to lower this down by 1. But for this, I then have to do row. And then if I keep going down, what happens? Good enough, okay. So then what does it say? So it says, okay. So I'm guessing there's always going to be something. Oops. And that should be exactly the same thing. Now, do this. Cool. But it doubles every time. How do I fix this doubling issue? I mean, I could just do... hide. 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 This is step 1, 2, 3. I hope to heck it doesn't say like do 100 of these iterations. If it does, then I've got to get another way of doing this. Actually, I might even have to do that already. Well, what was the original size? 20? And I'm roughly doubling its size 10 times. So yeah, it says 10 times, right? So that's 1,000, so I'm gonna get to 2,000 here. Honestly, you know what? Let's do that. Like, there's no consequences. It doesn't mess up anything, right? Doesn't. Got 10 steps. Drag all the way down to 2,000. Whoops. Take this, drag it all the way down to 2,000. Yeah, the original one was an actual letter, so... Sure. What the heck? Why? Oh, because I didn't do... that correctly. Uh-oh. Oh, it's gonna be another... It's all the way on the very bottom. Oh, BDK. Cool. Okay. Now it wants to know the most common. Well, what letters are there? C. What's the word? That's the thing I'm looking for. I mean, mode work. One nine four five six. Yeah, it was 20,000, not 2,000. That makes sense. So it's 1,000 times 20. Oops. What is it? Oh, actually equals. There we go. Let's do it like that. So equals. I'm making an assumption here, and I'm hoping that is a good one. I hope to God that this is a good assumption. Oh. So, biggest number out of all of that, 3146 minus the smallest number is 802. Da, 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 da. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna quickly do this just in case and just whoomp. Then just see what happens if I do. Yeah, so whoop. 2, 3, 4, 4. Every combination is listed there, which means to test this is correct. This is a sanity check. That's not a sanity check. That's an insanity check. Why is that short by 2? Oh my gosh. Did I actually do that? I really hope that that's not the answer. Jesus Christ. Oh, kill me. Okay. Well, it was nice knowing y'all. So, it's going to take this... It's 40 steps. Each step is times 1,000. Yeah. This is a little tricky. Right now we're 20,000. We're 20,000 steps deep. Next step would bring me to 40,000. Every step is going to roughly double this amount. And since I'm doing another 30, it would be 2 to the power of 30. That's 1 billion times 20,000. We're at 21 billion. How many rows can Excel handle? I don't think that many. Okay. There's got to be a way that I can somehow recurrence relation this. Like, what would any one set of letters become after 40? Would that work? Yeah, because after 40 it would only be 1 million steps. It would still be 1 million friggin' steps. Yeah, if I can figure out what... Yeah. No, after 40, it would still be 1 billion steps. Yeah, so if I start with an initial condition, and I figure out how many of each there would be in between each. If I can see how many pairs of each there are, then how many it would give afterwards. Oh, I can do this. I can do this differently. I can do this differently. Order doesn't matter. Order doesn't actually matter. I don't think. Because, okay, hear me out. Let's look at the letters A, B, C. Okay, first of all, yeah, let's consider the letters like H, H, C, N, F. Okay, so we have an HH pair. Whoops. Whatever. Yeah, we have an HH pair, we have an HC pair, we have a CN pair, and an NF pair. This HH is going to become 2 different pairs. Yeah, it's going to become an H something pair and a something H pair, which we can put into the... Okay, this has to be done. I figured it out. Okay, I know what I have to do. First of all, I've got to count how many pairs there are in the initial condition, which is a bit of a pain, but not the end of the world. First of all, base values. So, we also need to come back here and... I'm actually going to go back to get my input. I didn't think that I was going to do that today. So... Okay, equals mid... that start number 1 number of characters. I'm going to get 2 per, because that's all the possible pairs. And then it will become those. Yeah. Okay, so, okay. I figured out what I gotta do. I'm gonna do this. Paste here. Whoops. I'm going to paste the values there. Text, start number 1, 1, and then add this start number. H is 1, H is 2, space is 3, line greater than space, and so 7, 1. And then I do the exact same thing over here. 3, 4. And the other way around. So this should become CO, sorry, CF and FO. So I'm going to come all the way down to 100. So we start with here. I can start with B, N, N, S, S, O, whatever. We can figure that out afterwards. But then... Oh no, I know what I can do. Holy cow. I figured it out. Okay. This is my special lookup table that I'm going to die slightly later. I don't need any of this anymore. I figured it out. So. Whatever. So, whoop. There we go. Nope. There we go. So, first of all, we're going to have a number here that's going to say how many of each we have. And then we're going to say, we look for our letter, for whatever what we're looking for. We're going to look in here. And then we're going to find how many we have to do here. And we're going to add them together and multiply them. Okay. So. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna paste this right there. So we're gonna have an HH value last time, and then that's gonna translate to something. So let's just give random numbers. Let's say that this is I'd probably duplicate the letters and okay, I just have to check. I have to check. Okay, so there are duplicates, which all I have to care about is that there are duplicates. There's at least one. So I need to have look up last time how many of each of these there were. And then we gotta find yeah, it's gonna be array formulas maybe? What if it's like this? Yeah, we could use a filter, couldn't we? So, like, let's say that there is 5 COs next time. I come here and do this. Now, how many CFs are there? I don't even know where CF is here, but here. We're gonna do equals filter such that this equals this, or this equals this. Oh, wait a second, I hit it like this, can't I? It was empty at 0. And then you sum all the elements in that array. 5. There's another CF here. 4. Is that now 9? It is 9. That works. Okay. But it's messy, but it does work. Messy and effective. I'm okay with that. So, I'm going to delete this. And now... turn off the music for a brief second. Now what I want to do is I want to drag this over once, and I'm going to now say... count if... Oh my god. Okay. And then once I've done this, I can then... So yeah, that's one step then. So we hide that. Remember, this is step 0. Actually, you know what? Okay, so this is step 0. We'll remember that. That's step 1. Hide that. Oh, no, not values. This is step 2. Calculations for sure. So these are 4. We're gonna have a think. I'm aware. Oh, okay. 2. So this is Gonna be 8. Then I do 2 more. Bring me to 10. Then that's going to be 20. And how many steps total we need to do? 40? It's going to have a good think. Okay, nope. My computer's thinking too hard for this. I don't even know if, like, maybe, I don't even know if OBS is having a good day too. Okay. Save. Scroll out a nice chunk. Oh, it's also still thinking. These numbers should be getting very large. Why are they not getting very large? These numbers should be getting very, very large. Did I F up the lookup, maybe? Oh, calculate. Oh, that many threads? Is it that bad? Take this opportunity to have a sponsored sip. There are the big numbers I was waiting for. I knew they were going to be coming at some point. Okay. Well, now I'm going to come here. Put my cursor there. Save. So, 1. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There we go. And now we give it a nice good chunk of time to think. This is gonna take a moment. It's gonna have a really really hard time thinking, which is, reasonable. As to what we just did, but double. I had no idea if OBS is actually recording this either. Now we double check. So this is the first evaluation. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. It goes up by 5, so we get to 101. 20. 201. That will be the number that we're looking for. But we're not quite done. I do have to do this. We get it to work. It'll take a couple seconds, but not a big deal. This is just the final evaluation, now thinking. Okay, so comma. 19465. Whoops. Ah. That's a shame. Oh, wait a second. Nope, that's wrong. Oh, frick. Okay, so wait a second. This is now correct. Because we have the number of pairs, that means that every number will be counted twice, except for the very, very first number, which we counted exactly once, which will be counted here correctly, and it won't be counting the very, very last letter, which is K. So, if K is the least number, then we just add 1. Well, it'd be, so it's H, which is, so yeah, B or K are the letters we have to care about. Ah. Yes! Ooh, feels good.